Hello all, welcome back again to the YouTube channel platform 1 Mark Solution. Now I'm here with some assertion reason kind of question from chapter 4, 12th biology, that is reproductive health. So as I said before, we have seen all this tricks, tips and all. We'll directly come to the question. This is the first question, assertion reason kind of question from chapter 4, that is reproductive health, that is 12th biology. Okay, the first statement, assertion, stays like this. Use of condom is a safeguard against AIDS and sexual diseases besides checking pregnancy. What do you think the statement? Statement is very true, correct? Not only pregnancy is safeguard from the STDs, different kind of STDs. Then the next statement says that certain contraceptives are placed under the skin. It's planted or it is placed under the skin of the upper arm to prevent. Yes, we have seen some injection, implants, etc. This statement is also true. Both statements are true. As we have seen before, if both the statements are true, then what should we see? We have to check whether the reason is an explanation for assertion. Is the second statement an explanation? Both the statements are true, but is it an explanation for assertion? No, it is not an explanation for the first statement. So which should be the answer? Answer is B. Correct? Okay, now let's go to the next question. Amniocentesis is often misused. No doubt in that. So let us consider this as true. Okay. Now the reason is that amniocentesis is meant for, actually it is meant for determining the genetic disorders in the fetus, but is being used to determine the sex of fetus, so that female fetus, that means if it is found that the fetus is female, may be aborted. That means female feticide number will increase if this is. Is this true, the statement? No doubt, it is also true. Now to check whether the reason is an explanation for that. Very correct explanation. Amniocentesis is misused. Misused for what? To determine the sex of the fetus and thereby to perform abortion if the fetus is found female. So the answer is A. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Third question. Assertion says that human population now doubles every 35 years as against 200 years in 1600 to 1800. So initially the duration required for doubling the population was 200 years and now it is 35 years. It is true. It is a direct statement from the textbook. So no doubt it is true. And now let us see the reason mentioned here. Rapid increase is due to the better health facilities and food resources. Very correct, isn't it? This rapid increase in the population is due to the better health facilities and food resources. Both are correct. And now, when we check, we can understand that the second statement, that is reason, is a proper explanation for the first one. So which can be the answer? Yes, answer is A. Okay, fine. Let's go to the fourth question. Assertion. Zero population growth should be achieved as early as possible to control human population. What is zero population? Zero population. The statement is true. And tell me what is zero population? That is birth rate is equal to death rate. Or we can say that birth rate plus immigration, that means other factors also can be considered. So anyway, this is true. This requires not only 2 children per couple, but a little more. That means many other factors also to be considered here. Not only this, as I said. So this second statement is also true. And this gives the reason is a correct explanation for the first one. So which is the answer? Answer is A. Okay. Now let's see the final question here. Mother should not be blamed for the birth of girls in the family. So we have seen a similar question before. So mothers or female produces only one type of gamete and it is not mother who determines the sex, it is father. Okay, so that is a statement. Now let us see the reason. Father is responsible for the sex of the child. The first statement and the second statement is very correct. Father is responsible for the sex of the child because it is male heterogamety. Male parent or the father produces two type of gamete, and it is a type of sperm which fertilizes the egg determined. So that is also correct. But is the second statement a correct explanation for the first one? No, that is not. So which is the answer? Answer is B. That is, assertion is correct. Reason is also correct. But this reason is not explaining why the first one is correct. So thus we have come to an end of the assertion reason kind of question from chapter 5 biology. Thank you. Okay, we'll be back again with more 1 mark question, assertion reason and the similar questions.